Hello, future engineers and those interested in the field. I recently went to Protolabs in Morrisville, North Carolina and met with Mr. Kenny Capps. I was fortunate enough to get a special tour of the facility and talk about the company. Because I will be a college student soon, I also talked to him about some suggestions not for just me, but everybody looking to get into an engineering college. First off, they have a total of 7 manufacturing facilities in the US and 12 globally. Around 750,000 square feet of manufacturing space, and they make about 1.3 million parts per month. As you can tell, this is a very large company that has their stuff together. Because I have a 3D printer, video coming soon, I was intrigued from the start. I asked him what kind of 3D printers they use and if they use fused deposition modeling printers, or most commonly known as FDM. These printers are what most people think when they hear of 3D printing. They heat up a plastic to a desired temperature and then extrude it onto a build plate. When I asked Mr. Capps about these printers and if his company used them, his answer stunned me. Mr. Capps replied that because FDM printers' quality can sometimes be an issue, here at Protolabs we strive for the absolute highest quality prints. The FDM printers probably could have worked and we could have saved a lot of money, but we did not like the idea of not having the same quality every single time. Because of this reason, they strive away from FDM and use many other types of printers. He also told me that the company strives for the best customer atmosphere and the work environment. When I went to tour the facility, everyone was happy to work there. They all had smiles on their faces and were ready to provide the best customer care. Also, when I was on the tour, many of the workers stopped what they were doing to come shake my hand and say hi. Even though I was not a customer and they knew that, they still took the incentive to make me feel comfortable in their environment they have created. After the tour, we sat and talked about college and what it can offer. The first thing we discussed was the famous NC State. Mr. Capps attended NC State and loved the experience. One of the major points we discussed was well-roundedness. Having extracurriculars and going out in the community and fixing problems was a big plus. He also pointed the incentive as another major thing colleges are looking for. We also had a conversation about NC State and just life there in general. I had a great time and want to thank Mr. Capps personally for the opportunity and everything he did for me. Thank you for watching the video. If you did enjoy and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and see you guys in the next one.